Healthy birds,
Healthy birds for a happy
healthy
nation.
nation. Teach me
Today
how to
is day
fish,
13.
don't give me
Congratulations
fish.
to us.
Healthy
We are all doing
birds,
well.
day 13.
Today is
You too
Gumbo
can own your own farm.
vaccination
You too can be a
as you can
self-made
see, we
billionaire.
have staffed them
Arise and
for
shine,
water,
for the Lord light
so they
has
can
come,
all
and the glory of God
take.
has risen
So far, we are
upon
having a
you,
successful one here.
upon me, upon our household, in the mighty
We
name
shall
of
be no loss in
Jesus.
anything we do.
Healthy birds,
Your vaccinations
healthy
are
nation.
very
So continue
important
to
that you
subscribe,
keep them
watch
according to schedule.
to
You
know
must
how
keep to
you too
schedule with
can
your
start up
vaccination.
your own farm.
Thank you.
Do have a wonderful, blessed day.
Healthy birds for a happy nation. Today is day 13, Gumbo vaccination day. There shall be no loss in anything we do. Join me if you want to be part of our master class. Join me for more inquiries. Thank God. It's been God so far. The birds are taking a nap. You can see very big. Healthy birds for a happy nation. Today is the 13th Gumbo vaccination day. Just finished the vaccination. And it was a successful one. We have big birds here, taking you to the other. There will not be loss in anything we do. They finished the vaccination.